Hey there! Have you ever encountered the problem where Finder refuses to show your library folder, even though you know it's there? Frustrating, right? You can confirm its existence by running a ls-ld command in the terminal, but it's nowhere to be found in Finder. The struggle is real, my friend. So, what's the solution to this pesky problem? Well, here it is. Navigate to your home folder in Finder, then go to the View menu and select Show View Options. At the bottom of the options, you'll find a nifty little checkbox that says Show Library Folder. Check that box, and just like magic, your elusive library folder will finally make an appearance in Finder. Problem solved. In summary, if you're tired of playing hide and seek with your library folder in Finder, just follow these simple steps. Go to your home folder, access the View menu, click on Show View Options, and check the Show Library Folder box. Voila! Your library folder will now be visible alongside documents and pictures. Happy organizing! Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep calm and Mac on.